So here are 5 reasons why working with a professional can ensure you get the most out of the sale of your home. Are you planning on selling your home this year? With the higher mortgage rates, moderating buyer demand, conditions in the housing market are certainly different today. If you're thinking about selling your home, it's important to understand how the market has changed and what that means for you. The best way to make sure that you're in the know is to work with a trusted real estate agent. So those 5 reasons are: number 1, a seasoned real estate agent is an expert in market trends. The president of the National Association of Realtors, or the NAR, explains it this way. During challenging and changing market conditions, one thing that's calming and consistent is the assurance that comes from a realtor. Being in your corner through every step of the home transaction, consumers can rely on their realtors' unmatched work ethic, trusted guidance, and objectivity to help manage the complexities associated with the home buying and selling process. What that means is we see it every day and we know how to handle it. An expert real estate agent has the latest information about the national trends all the way down to the local area. More importantly, they'll know what all of this means for you, and they'll be able to help you make the decision based on trustworthy, data-bound information. The second reason, a local professional knows how to set the right price for your home. Home price appreciation has slowed this year. If you sell your house on your own, you may be likely to overshoot your asking price because you're not as aware of where prices are today. The market is definitely different than it was even 60 days ago. If you do this, you run the risk of deterring buyers from seeing your home, let alone submitting an offer on it. So we as agents provide unbiased eye when we help you determine the price of your house. We use a variety of factors like the condition of the home, any upgrades you've made. We compare your home to things that have recently sold in the area to make sure we can get the best price for your home in today's market. These steps are key to making sure to move as quickly as possible. Number 3, a real estate agent helps maximize your pool of buyers. Since buyer demand has cooled this year, you'll want to know you can bring in my help to attract more buyers. We have a large variety of tools at our disposal, and we're constantly researching new items such as social media followers, agency resources, of course the MLS, heat maps, just to name a few. These ensure that your house gets in front of as many people looking to buy as possible. So it's risky to sell a house on your own without an agent, right? You don't have relationships with other clients. You don't have relationships with other agents. A real estate agency to bring a largest pool of potential buyers in your home is critical. Without access to these tools, your agent's marketing experience or your buyer pool, the home selling potential is very limited. Number 4, a real estate expert will read and understand the fine print. Today, more disclosures and regulations are mandatory when selling a house. That means the number of legal documents you're going to need to judge is growing. The NAR explains it like this. Selling a home typically requires a variety of forms, reports, disclosures, all sorts of legal and financial documents. There's a lot of jargon involved in a real estate transaction. You're going to want to work with an agent who can speak the language. We know exactly what all the fine print means and how to work through it efficiently. We'll help you review the documents, avoid any costly missteps that could occur if you try to handle them on your own. Number 5, a trusted advisor is a skilled negotiator in today's market. Buyers are also regaining some negotiation power as bidding wars ease up. And if you sell without a professional, you'll also be responsible for all of this back and forth. And what that means, that you're going to have to coordinate with the buyer who wants the best possible deal, the buyer's agent who's going to use their expertise to advocate on their client's behalf, the inspection company which works for the buyer and will almost always find concerns with the house, the appraiser who assesses the property value to protect the lender. Instead of going toe-to-toe with all of this, lean on your agent. We'll know what levers to pull, how to address everybody's concerns, and you might want to even get a second opinion. The bottom line, don't go it alone. If you're planning to sell your house this winter, let's connect so you have an expert by your side to guide you in today's market.